Right, today I'm making leek and Stilton soup. Starting off with a large potato. I've scrubbed it, it's still got the skin on, and chopped it up. Medium onion, fairly finely chopped. Salt and pepper, a big knob of butter, tablespoonful of oil, 3 leeks and quite a big chunk of Stilton. I'll show you how to prepare the leeks. You chop off the root end, get rid of those. That's that bit. Then we slit down, take the outer layer off the leek. Now, as you can see, there's some dirt inside those upper parts, but we're not going to let that put us off. We're going to wash those carefully. So I'm going to chop off a good half of the leek, give it a good rinse under the tap. Now, it's very unlikely that there'll be any dirt that far down the leek, but these top parts definitely will have some dirt in. So I'm going to chop the ends off. If it wasn't soup, I would discard these green parts, but because it's soup, it all adds to the colour and the flavour. So what I'm going to do is cut down the middle, and what we're going to do is we're going to wash these very carefully to get rid of any soil. Only takes 5 minutes, but you've got to do it. You don't want to be serving up soil because it's full of pests and viruses. So these are going to be washed carefully and then shredded. Cold running water, that's the name of the game. So we've washed all the green tops, going to slice them now, fairly thinly. It doesn't matter really, because at the end of the day it's all going to be blended. So all the leeks have been sliced now, and I've got 2 litres of vegetable stock made from stock cubes and a pint of milk. So it's now time to start the cooking. So we've got the butter and the oil melting together in the pan. In with the onions and the potatoes. Give them a good stir. Next, the leeks. And again, a good old stir. We're on a medium heat, and what we want is for these to start softening. So in order for that to happen, we need to put on a lid. Well, there we go. That should start to soften after about 5 minutes. So everything started to soften now. So I'm adding in the liquid. the stock. I won't add the milk until afterwards. So I'm going to bring this to a simmer and simmer it for about 40 minutes so that everything's really tender. And then we'll blend it and add in the seasonings and the cheese. Right, the soup's cooked now, everything's tender, so I'm going to turn off the heat and give it a whiz with the blender. We'll then add in the milk and the cheese and the seasoning. So we've blended the soup. I'm going to crumble in the Stilton. I've added the milk. Oops. The Stilton's gone in one piece, so that's no problem. It'll all melt. I'm not going to add salt until right at the end because the cheese is quite salty. So I'll just add some black pepper. So there you go, Leek and Stilton soup with lovely crusty bread. Can't wait to tuck into this. Smells absolutely delicious. See you later. Bye.